Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wood lathes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Winbomgo Mini Lathe Wood Lathe Machine Multi. For hobbyists and beginners exploring wood turning, this mini lathe wood lathe machine packs impressive versatility into a compact 4.18-pound frame. With 7 adjustable speeds ranging from 3,500 to 10,000 RPM, you'll have precise control for crafting small decorative items, pens, and beads. The 100W high-torque motor delivers reliable power while maintaining a quiet 50 decibels operation. You'll get essential accessories including a 4-jaw chuck, saw blade, and turning tool made from durable HSS. While it's not ideal for harder woods, you'll appreciate the stable base and adjustable tool rest for precise work. The package includes instructional tutorials, and you're backed by a 1-year warranty. Moving on at number 4. We have the BACHIN Mini Lathe Wood Lathe Machine Multi. Compact yet versatile, this mini lathe wood machine packs impressive capabilities into its modest 2.76 x 6.3-inch frame. With a powerful 24 VDC 96W motor reaching speeds up to 11,000 RPM across 7 settings, you'll handle everything from wood to ceramics with precision. You'll appreciate the upgraded gold adjustable chuck and included HSS professional tools for various operations, from cutting to polishing. The aluminum alloy base and steel headstock provide stability while minimizing vibrations. While it's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and beginners, you'll need to follow basic guidelines, center your materials properly, maintain appropriate speeds, and keep tools sharp for best results. At number 3, we have the JET Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe. Serious woodworkers seeking professional-grade precision will appreciate the JET JWL 1221VS Lathe's exceptional control and versatility. The 1 HP motor delivers reliable power across 3 speed ranges from 60 to 3,600 RPM, while the innovative ratchet-style belt tension system guarantees smooth operation. You'll find the redesigned digital controls and 24 indexing positions make project execution effortless. The integrated spring-loaded spindle lock and forward-to-reverse shift enhance your workflow efficiency. Though some users report occasional DRO inaccuracies, the lathe's heavy-duty 121-pound construction minimizes vibration, making it ideal for everything from small spindles to substantial bowls. A 5-year warranty backs this highly rated machine. At number 2, we have the VEVOR Wood Lathe. Professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts seeking a versatile benchtop lathe will appreciate the VEVOR 14 multiplied by 40s balanced performance. The 0.5 HP motor delivers speeds up to 2,425 RPM through 4 adjustable settings, making it ideal for various woodworking tasks. You'll find stability in its aluminum alloy base and steel headstock design, which reduces vibrations for precise cutting and planing. The included accessories, hex wrench, faceplate, and 3 chisels, give you everything needed to start turning. At 14 multiplied by 40 inches, it's perfectly sized for most benchtop projects while maintaining professional-grade capabilities. And finally, at number 1, we have the WEN Mini Benchtop Wood Lathe. The WEN LA 3421 offers an excellent entry point into wood turning if you're looking to start small without a significant investment. With an 8-inch swing and 13-inch bed length, it's perfectly sized for crafting pens, bowls, and chess pieces. You'll appreciate the variable speed control from 750 to 3,200 RPM, making it beginner-friendly. The included 2.3-inch faceplate and 2 tool rests give you essential versatility. While the 3.2 amp motor isn't built for heavy stock removal and the MT1 taper limits accessory options, you'll find it capable for light projects. Just be aware that the tailstock can be finicky, and you might outgrow this lathe as your skills advance. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.